What's up, guys? We're back with chipotles. I've been craving chipotle for some odd reason, so we got it with a nice Mexican Coke that I don't know how I'm gonna open. So let's see if this old school trick works or not. It's not. Oh my god. Spilled a little bit, but oh fuck, oh my god. I'm sorry. Okay. We have some guac, some napkins, and a fat ass burrito. This is $15. I don't know where they get charged these prices, but I'm here buying it. Oh my god. Do you guys see this massive ass? Ooh, it's wet. Ooh. So I got steak, white rice, black beans, and some other crap. Sour cream. Okay. White rice, black beans, steak, queso, tomatoes, corn, medium green salsa, sour cream, and cheese with a side of guac. So good. So good. So good. So I was gonna go pay my storage because right now I have a few things in storage, and every time I go, the people are never there. And I forgot my login information. I can't find my paperwork. Like, it's a mess. I'm a mess right now. There's just so much going on. Like, I'm stressed. So stressed. Damn, I should have got a spoon for this, but I didn't. How am I? Can I hear this? Come on, dude, don't park right here. I'm eating a fat ass burrito. think I'm getting sick because the back of my eyes hurt. I've been coughing. It's just a disaster, you guys. Look at this hefty ass thing, man. Ooh, something zesty in here. No, I don't taste the cheese, which I'm a little sad, but whatever. It was just $1.50. That's hot, I'm sorry. Scared me. I was a person jogging and they jogged the corner around my house and I freaked out. I was like, oh shit, you scared me. He goes, I'm sorry. And I'm like, it's okay, dude. I probably scared you too. But yeah. Where are you coming from? Ooh! Such a pretty day outside. Waiting for the kid to get out of school. Maybe we'll go to the park. Oh. I did not know this place was going to be so busy. Has anyone had Jimmy John's? I think I tried them like a long time ago. Ooh! Might try them out next time. Wow, they're so strong today. You guys, I remember going to Mexico and drinking these. And with these, Like they come in like a crate, and you just leave them outside, and they like refill them. In Mexico, did I say that? I haven't gone in a long time, like years, like maybe in 20 years I haven't been. But I want to go. My son wants to go, so we might go. I just have to get his passport and stuff. Wow, girl, you dripping. Oh God, please don't fall out. Oh, my nose was itchy. You see that? Me hanging by a thread for life. Like if we go to Mexico, we're gonna go stay in a resort by the beach and just lounge all day. Like my son hasn't had a cool vacation in a long time, and I think he deserves it. So I think I might just surprise him and just say, hey, get dressed, we're leaving, and then just go to the airport. That'd be so cute. Because we've been through some shit. Like last year was fucking crazy, and he's been such a awesome kid. Like I don't understand how he's only 8 and he understands everything. Like he's so mature for his age, and I'm thankful. So he deserves a little something something. And he's been wanting to go to the beach. Our beach is ugly. Our beach is dirty, has murky water. It's not really a beach. Well, it is a beach, but it's not the prettiest. And I want to see where I'm stepping. Like I don't want to put my foot in and I can't see like 10 inches, you know? Like I want to see all the way through. You know, we've been to Florida, but that was fucking crazy. We didn't really enjoy that trip, to be honest. Oh my God, why is everybody parking next to me? What? Okay, that's the 3rd time that truck passes by. Should I be scared? Or am I just tripping? He also wants to go see Baby No Money. And the only place I'm familiar with is Michigan. And it's during summer break. Spring break? So we might do that. We'll see. We'll see how... Mmm. Go get a car wash. My car is dirty. Dirty. Oh, my stomach hurts. I need a nap. I didn't even use this guac. So if you guys want to win this guac, comment down below, like this video, and subscribe, and you could win it. Oh God, my stomach hurts so bad. These are my oil stained Ray-Bans. You guys, National Geographic has been charging my card, and I had to cancel it 2 times already because they keep on charging. Like, how do you get my number? Who signed me up? Stop it. Damn, that Jimmy John's driver is driving a Hellcat. Did Jimmy John's provide that? Because if that's the case, I'm gonna apply. Damn, now I smell like shit. Wow, he's going fast. Alright. You go deliver that sandwich. What if I ordered and made them deliver to this spot? Yo, just pull up. Pull up and take a seat. Welcome to the show. Just kidding. I wonder if it would do that. Whew. Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have ate that burrito. You know, have I said this already? But I've been wanting to try Dave's Hot Chicken. Is that what it's called out in California? Because of David Dobrik. 2002. So I don't know if y'all can read that, but Monterrey, Nuevo León, bitch. That's where we be going. That's where we used to go all the time. Monterrey, Nuevo León. Nuevo León. Cool. I'm so sick. Ooh. You know, I think I'm gonna try Jimmy John's for the next video. If you guys have a favorite sandwich, comment down below. What should I get? Is it delicious? Should I not get it? Should I just opt for something else? Like, let me know. I might pick your sandwich and you might get featured in my next video, because I've been craving a sandwich. But I used to work next to a Subway, and smelling their fucking bread every day, all day, being baked, like it smelled good, but then I would take a bite of their sandwich and I was like, ugh. You know, like, I just couldn't do it. But damn, I look good today. My face, I don't know what's wrong with my face. I'm sorry if I keep looking that way. There's just so much action going on. A lot. But you guys, we're almost at 700 or 800. I think 7. That's fucking crazy. That's crazy. Crazy. But thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Like, honestly, doing this just helps me kind of like mellow out, not be as stressed. Kind of gives me like what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, you guys. It's just like I can't say much because we're going through a lot of things right now, and anything I can say can be used against me, if you know what I mean, you know. So can't really say much because I don't know who be watching, and if you're watching, that's all I can do. But yeah, like, sometimes things happen and it is what it is, and unfortunately that's just my life right now. Things are happening and I kind of have to like live with it and learn how to manage it and not let it get to me, because sometimes I start thinking about things and I'm like, man, this is gonna be going on for 10 years, 10 very long years, and it's so stressful, not just for my sake but for my whole family's sake. Like, it's just a lot, and hopefully it gets dealt with soon so I can maybe make a video. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I mean, I can't disclose that much information, like I said, but tomorrow's one of the many dates that I have to go in and speak my truth, you know. So hopefully things just go smooth. I don't want drama. I'm not into drama. If I wanted to be in drama, I would make my own drama, you know. But I'm not in it. I don't like drama. I don't want to be in, like, just leave me alone. Just let me live my life. All I want to do is live my life. And like I've been saying, be happy, be stress-free, enjoy it with the kid, and make memories, because the memories that we have are not the best memories. Unfortunately, they are horrible. They suck, like big time suck. And it's very unfortunate that things had to roll out that way. But but yeah, if you want to win this guac, comment down below and like this video, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell and you might win this guac. I don't know how fresh it's gonna be, but I'll announce my winner. Oh, 108 steps to go. Next video, okay guys? I mean, how fresh does guac stay? Like, when did they make this? Doesn't even have a date. How do they know? Do they throw out the guac every night? Sally from Chipotle, do you do that? There's no date on this. If y'all know, let me know. But I'm gonna try to preserve it for the winter. I might have some later, if that's cool, but you'll still get it. Oh no, it's just not gonna fit in here. Don't spill, please. Alright guys, toodaloo.